Check it out, wolf tracks. You know, because we're gonna get eaten by wolves.
Look, there's the wolf. It's so vicious.
Hey, wolf, come here! Oh no, he's coming to eat us!
Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are outside. We're going on another nature sesh. And I have friends with me. We've got my doggo and the husband in tow. Hi.
Fuck, you rolled that one pretty good.
I did. Here you go.
Be careful, it's icy here.
It actually is pretty icy. Hold up, it's just a little bit icy.
The dog might not break through it, but we will.
It looks really slippery though. So we got a bunch of snow, what, last week? Was it?
Week and a half ago last?
Week and a half ago. But a bunch of it melted. It was like +4 the other day.
It's still cold enough at night, so it snows some more, right?
Yeah, I mean, as you can see, there's still snow where we are. We're like in the bush, but like, there's minimal snow left in our yard. The streets are bare.
Oh, there's no snow at all in our yard. I'm looking for something, girl.
Oh god, it's getting near the end.
Chevy's waiting for us on top of the...
Oh, damn it, she's gone. Oh, hello, you're back! Hi!
Holy fuck.
Hello! Where'd you go? Say hey, are you camera shy? Hi. Hey, can you chill for a second? Let's say hi to the camera. You gonna go poop? What are you doing? Okay, she's too excited.
That was cute. The running down.
Oh! Oh shit!
You almost wiped out?
I almost died. Oh. Almost done.
Here you go, pretty thing.
Here you go. Hey there.
I'm being a chimney in the background.
Oh, and here comes the dog, and she's gone. Gone. Eventually. Oh, she's coming back. You like the snow, eh? Fucking loves it. Here you go. Also, exciting news, I'm gonna attempt Vlogmas this year. Never done it before, but it's okay. Also, not gonna do it every day because I just don't have time for that. So we're gonna stick to regular Wednesday uploads, but I'm also gonna have one on Sunday. So 2 videos per week for December. We'll see how I do. We'll see. Hopefully I don't fuck it up.
You can do it!
Thanks, man! I got one supporter, that's good. Where's my dog? Oh, there she is! Hi! Bye! Is anyone else super excited for Christmas? Because I am. Are you? Not really.
It's just another day on the calendar. I'm probably gonna have to work anyways.
He's the Grinch, don't mind him. We love Christmas over here! So cute back here. It's like that no one comes here too. Got this whole trail to ourselves. Oh, it's like... There we go. Except for the quadders, apparently. They come out here too and fuck up the trail. What? So we're not on the trail anymore. We've joined up with the snowmobile trail. I don't know if you can see, there's like a little sign. We're on the snowmobile trail.
Look at it, says slow on that sign too.
Yeah, the pole line.
We're not going the right way, by the way.
What's that?
We gotta go back now.
Yeah, there's some like jumps here, like a little ditch. We are not on the trail. We're just in the bush now.
I know the real monkey trails when I was growing up as a kid, you had to cross over this ditch over here and then go a little bit closer towards the highway, and then there's lots of trails and jumps over there.
Yeah, lots of trails out by our place. It's nice. Deep the snow is, and she's gone. Look at the tree. Little red berries. Little red berries. A little bit of color in this colorless.
Oh yeah, I didn't even notice.
Yeah, they're like so bright too.
What?
So we went down the wrong trail. That's where we were supposed to go. Look, there's like actual footsteps, it's a trail. No, we went down where people like drive. It's okay, it was still pretty. You eating snow? Are you eating snow? Yum yum.
She's thirsty.
Apparently. We made it back. Thanks for coming along to our little nature sesh walk. Hello, dog. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And now, stay tuned for Vlogmas. Next video on Sunday. Bye! Alright, so we think this might have been the actual trail. Not. We went this way.
No, they're not marked, but you see, look at the trees. There's like tape around the trees almost marking the trail, so I figure this is the actual trail.
Maybe. Because we came from up there. And this is the first intersection.
Fuck it, let's do it anyways.
Alright, let's see where this goes.
The one that goes all the way to the end.
Ah. That's what is that in English? Maple taff? Maple syrup? Maple syrup?
It's a Sugar Shack.
Sugar Shack, that's the word. Yeah. Oh wait, is this it? There's trails everywhere.
No, that's not a real trail. This is the only trail right now.
Okay. Look at these big mushrooms in this tree. They're huge.
Let's smoke them.
No. Okay, discovery.
There's benches over there.
This is the real trail. We fucked up from the right beginning.
Like I was trying to tell you earlier, like they're marked on trees with a white ribbons, eh?
Yeah.
There's one over here.
Yeah, I see it.
It almost looks like roll-up wrappers.
It kind of does. This is the cute trail. We actually found it. Look, there's a little marker.
Look, there's a Christmas ball inside the tree.
Oh, I see it. Let's get closer. Little benches. And yeah, little marker. This is actually a really nice trail now that we found it for reals. Someone really tall?
It looks like they even tried more than once because it's partially smashed up. It's like they dropped it a couple of times before they got it right.
Yeah.
Christmas balls.
Maybe it's like they're all like near the little markers. Maybe it's someone trying to help people find the trail. But you
just all put it on one tree and call it the Christmas tree in the trail.
Yeah, like that other trail near our house. That one has a little Christmas tree.
Is it still there?
Yeah,
Does it stay there throughout the summer?
It's in my September video. If you want to go check out September's nature sesh, I go in the trail I'm speaking of, and there's a little Christmas tree there. We'll have to go back in the winter.
Yeah.
Christmas tree in the actual winter.
Yeah, so this was the little fence I used to hop as a kid to get to the sugar shack and just not have to pay the admission fee to get in there. It was actually pretty cool shit.
So we found yet another trail. We think it might be the return trail, but...
It does extend further, but these trails go all the way back to Old Hammer.
Yeah, there's trails everywhere here. Valley life! I just found a marker! We're on the right trail! We didn't mess up! This is, in fact, the return trail. We lost the trail again. I mean, like, the trailhead's just over there. Like, we're just beside the arena, but, like... Shavy found the trail. Even though we're not, we're just bushwhacking. But it's okay. Oh my god, it is! Oh, man. Okay, so we can't see it because it's winter, and no one knows where the actual trail is, but we found it. It's weird how there's like no snow here. Like at all. Where's the snow at?
Yeah.
Like, this is dirt.
I'll do it all for comedy.
Okay, so the dog just stepped on here and then, oh my god, why is it cracking underneath me? I'm lighter. Oh no, I wasn't.
Yeah, don't trust it.
Okay, where do I go after?
Wait, no, not that side. That's even thinner.
Go where
I was walking, but go in the snow.
Chevy, get out! Oh my god.
Broke under Chevy.
Ah! Okay, we're good. Alright, we're back for real this time. Back at the trailhead.
Where's my dog?
Oh, right there. And there she goes. Alright, thank you for watching this video to the second ending. Not the first ending. If you made it to the second ending, congratulations. Thank you, you're an all-star. Alright, stay high.